Hi, James Pearson here, President of the Computer Center, with a quick technology thought for the day. Microsoft has been aggressively auditing small businesses in our area for the last 18 months or so. In the past, we've warned you that Microsoft will not call you, and this was especially true because of several scams going around in which identity thieves would try to gain access to your computer via a phone call or a pop-up or an email on your screen. However, Microsoft has indeed been emailing and calling small businesses demanding a software audit. Here are a couple of things you need to know. First, if you get an email or a call, don't give out any personal information. Do some work to verify that the caller or emailer really is true and verify that information, such as requesting contact information and a callback number. If you get an email, Microsoft email addresses start with v-, the person's name, @microsoft.com. The process of explaining and proving you are using valid licenses can be confusing and lengthy and even a little intimidating. You'll be asked to describe how your network is configured and provide proof that every Microsoft license from server to office to workstation is legally licensed. If at the end of the process Microsoft deems that you are not in compliance, you will be required to purchase the proper license. Seem confusing and a little scary? Well, it can be, since Microsoft is using techniques that almost seem like spam. If you need assistance, turn to the IT company that configured your network, or you can call an outside company such as the Computer Center who's experienced with completing these types of audits. I'm James Pearson with today's Technology Thought for the Day. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend and click like below. For more great free technology tips and tricks, subscribe to our Tuesday Tidbits by going to computer-center.com/tidbits.